Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Melissa. It has been a minute since I posted because I had a newborn baby girl and she's super cute. You can check out some adorable pictures and videos of her on my Instagram page, and that'll be linked down below. And yeah, so in today's video, we're making some crab rangoon pizza. I've been seeing this all over the place and I wanted to try it, and I thought I would show you guys how I did so. All right, so I've got some dough here that I made. I will link that video down below. I made a double batch of this bread, and I thought I would use the second portion of it to make this pizza. But of course, you can use whatever kind of pizza dough you like, whether you have your own recipe, or you could find something already pre-made at the grocery store. And next, I lined this really neat pizza tray with some parchment paper. I love this tray because it's like open, and it helps to cook the dough all the way through. I really love that. I hate a soggy dough. All right, so now onto our ingredients. We've got some cream cheese, garlic, green onion, some sweet chili sauce, and some imitation crab because I like to keep it kosher, and some shredded cheese. All right, and this is super simple. We're just gonna take a cup of cream cheese and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of pressed garlic. Really, you can never use too much garlic. And then we're going to take our imitation crab and add that to the bowl. And we're just going to use a fork to smash it up a little bit. You could use a knife to chop it up into smaller bits before adding it to the bowl if you like. And then we're going to add 2 small handfuls of shredded cheese. And now I'm going to chop up my green onions, and I'm going to be using the lower half of the green onions to add to the cream cheese mixture, and then I'm going to use the upper half to use as garnish afterward. And the last ingredient to go into the cream cheese mixture is the sweet chili sauce, and you're just gonna kind of eyeball it, add the sweet chili sauce to your liking. And we are just gonna keep smashing that together with a fork until it looks something like, I don't know, egg salad sandwiches or chicken salad sandwiches. And then it is ready to be spread on our pizza dough. And after we have our cream cheese mixture nicely spread out, leaving a little bit of space for the crust, we're going to add all of our shredded cheese. We've got about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese here. And now our gorgeous pizza is ready to go into a 450-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And I think I cooked mine a little bit longer because the crust was so thick. But you'll know it's done by the bubbling cheese and the golden brown edges. And now I'm just adding some more sweet chili sauce to it. Like, what a brilliant addition to pizza, really. It's so good. And then lastly, we're going to top it off with our chopped green onion. All right, guys, how gorgeous is this pizza? It's so good. It tastes even better than it looks. I think this is one of my favorite pizzas that I have ever made. And we're gonna slice into it here so you can see that delicious cream cheese side profile there. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got a chance to make this pizza, please leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. And also make sure to tag me in your photos on Instagram. I love to share them with my followers. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment and share it with your friends. All right, guys, have a super day, and I will see you in the next video.